Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, good afternoon. My name is Fabian Alghifari Achmad. I'm from the MTL C. Okay, I'm going to make a healthy drink and very suitable for diet. The name is Smoothie. Do you know what is the smoothies? Okay, smoothies is a drink from fruit or something like vegetables and yogurt for a healthy. This drink is suitable for pandemic season like this time because there are many vitamins we need in this drink. The materials to be used here are bananas, some strawberries, and the last one is a diamond low fat milk. It's very good to be a diet. And how to make a smoothies? Let's go. First, prepare tools and materials. Next, cut banana and strawberries. For your information, the benefits of bananas are source of carbohydrates as a substitute for rice, and vitamin A is good for the eyes. Likewise with strawberry, which is good for the skin. Then put in the blender. Next, put in low fat milk. Then blend gradually by increasing the blender speed level. When it's smooth and also foamy, put in the glass and it's ready to serve. And this is the healthy smoothie by Achmad. Oh, it's a very delicious, suitable for your diet, and it's a healthy